So we're going to go over how to access and log your program. So first thing, you're going to need Google Sheets. You can download this from the App Store. We'll give you access to your program in here. You can access it by going to the Shared With Me folder or just searching for GTS. Generally, it'll come up right there. We're going to go into this new client example spreadsheet. Now, you have comment-only access to this program, so you don't have to worry about screwing anything up. We'll reconcile all the training for you. On this bottom tab, right down here, you'll see a bunch of different tabs. You're mainly going to be working off the dashboard tab, which we'll go through in a second. Recently completed will have completed workouts that we'll move over there for you. And strength history will have summaries of training cycles as well as all previous training. Those are probably the main tabs you have to worry about. On the dashboard tab over to the left-hand side, you'll see these turquoise cells. These are your instructional cells. This one has instructions on how to log and access the program. We'll go through that on this video. And the training guide is basically going to be one of your keys. Every training is broken up into different modules. You'll see that over here on the right-hand side, the strength, pull-up strength, pulls, arms, etc. Your training guide just kind of gives you a high level of like what we expect for you during the week. This gives you a lot of flexibility. You can break things up based on your time constraints. We generally recommend getting at least 3 strength workouts in during the week, but then you can add accessory workouts on top of that or split them up into separate days. So high level on how to log here. All your training is listed in order from left to right, and it's progressive, so it builds up off of each other. What you're going to do is click on the cell of the workout, click on copy, then click on comment and paste the comment or paste the training right into that comment. Now you're going to go through and edit this. You'll double click on the add date and change the date into whatever the current date you're doing this training on. Your exercises are listed here with the working weights. Now I want you to warm up to these working weights. I don't want you to just jump right into it. So in this example, the starting working weight is 115 pounds. We're going to hit the bar, maybe 75, 95 before we get up there. 5T just means 5 total reps. Odds are you're going to do 5 on all of these. So what you'll do is just double click on the word log, click 5. And what you'll notice is like, as you get through the course of the training cycle, right now it's going to be super easy as we start off, but maybe toward the end of the training cycle, things are going to start getting harder, and we'd rather you break up the reps into good reps and feel confident in. So if something starts feeling heavy, let's maybe break them up into like 3,2, for example, to get 5 total reps, right? But odds are like in the beginning of the training cycle, we're going to get 5. Now notes will be anything you can write down if things were easy or hard, or if you had some issues or something like that. If you want us to take a look at something, maybe you uploaded video or plan to upload video, you can write little notes in there. Let's say we finish this training, we click on the little check mark in the top right. That will add a comment, which will automatically trigger to us. We'll reconcile this training within the next 24 to 48 hours for you, in which case we'll remove this, put it over in the recently completed tab, and shift your training over so you have new training. We might even recalibrate your training based on how you did. We also might add a comment and respond back to you, which will automatically trigger an email to you. And then you can respond right through your email and it'll respond back to us. So next thing, if we do some of these accessory modules, you can do them as well. Same rules apply. Copy, comment, paste it in there. Or what you can do is copy this and paste it in a current in your current workout that you're doing as well. So you can just edit it and drop below and just add whatever additional things you were doing or planning to do for this training. Again, save it, and that will automatically trigger an email to us, and we'll reconcile that workout. So these are all of your other modules that you have access to. Again, once you finish, we will move it into recently completed and reconcile that workout for you. Once we finish a training cycle, we will summarize it up here in these green summary cells. These are not workouts, these are summaries, and the rest of your training can be found here on the bottom. And if you have any other questions, just let us know.